Okay guys, today I like to show you I have a lawnmower of Troy built 21 inches. Okay, this one won't start on me after one season that it was somewhere, and most likely it's the carburetor that needs to be cleaned. So I'm showing you a very simple way of doing it yourself. You could see that this one was sitting like that, two screws, I took it out. Then it was one screw here, you see that's the filter, the air filter, took it out. Now I'm taking out those three screws. This is the base of the air filter, and right behind this is the carburetor. Let me take it out and I see you in a second. Okay guys, so I'm taking those three screws. This is the base of the filter holder. Now, as you could see here, there is a two spring, this one and this one. I have to release those two springs in order to release the carburetor. I'll show you in a second. Meantime, I take this out. Careful with the screws. Okay, I leave them like this. So you see, now we have the carburetor right here. So I have two screws right here, and that's the second one right in the other side. Okay, in this one over here, see? So once I take those two screws out and then I release those springs, this carburetor is coming out. So either you can clean it or just replace it. It costs, like, I saw it on eBay for like $8. So if you want to have new one, instead of working hard to clean it with all the gasoline and the debris that's in it, basically that's it. And then you see here it's connected to the pipe. All you have to do is, like with a little plier, you squeeze those two heads and you widen up the spring and it comes out. Then you take this out. Just be careful because the gasoline is still coming from here. So right away you have to make just turn the pipe holes up so it won't spill out. Just hold it for the time being and replace the carburetor. Okay, that's most of the lawnmower. That's the reason. There's no gasoline floating into the carburetor to get to the engine. So this is the key right here. Thank you for watching. If you have any request for any help of other machinery or any other things, subscribe and put a mark down there, and any respond, I will be glad to answer to all the requests. Thank you very much. Have a good day.